Hey, what is going on guys? It's Supreme Guru and I'm back with another video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to delete your viewing history on Safari, which is your web browser. So if you're new to iPhone and you're not quite sure on how to do this, then let me show you just now. So first of all, what you actually want to do is not go to Safari at all. You want to go to settings and then you want to scroll on down and keep scrolling until you see Safari. So we're going to tap on Safari, scroll on down a bit more until you see the blue clear history and website data. So I'm just going to tap on that. We're going to hit clear history and data, and that is it. That is how you clear your Safari history on your iPhone or your iPod or your iPad. If you're new to this channel, thank you for tuning in. My name is Supreme Guru. I'm not a YouTube. I'm a tech YouTuber from Northern Ireland, if you're not quite sure on where this accent is from. Thanks guys for watching my video. If you want to see more videos like this, then subscribe to my channel. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give it a thumbs down and give me a comment to why you didn't like it, any improvements that I can make. And until next time guys, peace.